Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest tech and gadgets. Today, we're looking at something pretty innovative from Dyson, the V15s Detect Submarine Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner. This isn't just any vacuum. It promises to combine the power of suction with the convenience of mopping. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Starting with the design, Dyson has always been known for sleek aesthetics, and the V15s Detect Submarine is no exception. It's lightweight and feels premium in hand. The package includes a variety of attachments like the motorized cleaner head for carpets, the fluffy optic cleaner head with laser for hard floors, and of course, the star of the show, the Submarine Wet-Dry Roller Head. Setting up the vacuum is straightforward. Attachments click into place securely, and the LCD screen provides real-time performance data. The submarine head is easy to fill with water, and you simply glide it across your floors to mop and vacuum simultaneously. It's great for quick cleanups, though it struggles a bit with tight corners compared to a traditional mop. Now, let's talk performance. The V15s Detect Submarine excels in suction power. It effortlessly lifts dirt and debris from both carpets and hard floors. The laser on the fluffy optic head is a neat addition, revealing hidden dust particles. The submarine head, with its water jets, effectively mops floors, leaving them clean and dry quickly. So, should you buy the Dyson V15s Detect Submarine Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner? If you're looking to streamline your cleaning routine and don't mind investing in the latest tech, it's definitely worth considering. It's ideal for households with mixed flooring and occasional spills, though for deep mopping, you might still want to keep your traditional mop handy. That wraps up our review of the Dyson V15s Detect Submarine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think about this innovative vacuum cleaner from Dyson. Until next time, happy cleaning.